Hello everyone. Well, today I have a master LOTO lock, and this one was sent to me by Chris Ahrens, Lockpicking, Heaven's Gate, and as you can tell, this lock is pretty old, and I had to lube the heck out of it because I couldn't get the pins to move. So I finally have picked it a couple of times. It's not easy. I always say that though. And I was thinking about trying to clean it out, but I don't know, since this has a plastic body, I don't know if something would destroy it, like brake fluid cleaner, brake cleaner and lighter fluid, all those things. I don't know if it would gum it up or mess up the plastic. So if anybody knows that answer, would you please let me know? And otherwise, I just sprayed a bunch of gunk in there and trying to lube it up some. So let's see if I can get it open again. I have picked it a couple of times. Not easy because it is so goofed up. Okay, just got a crunchy click out of number 5. Okay, click out of 4. Got a 3. Got a 2. Crunch out of 1. Okay, got a little bit of a turn on the core there. Thought I clicked out of 1 and it was like sitting on the fence, and then it came back down again. Fence again. Okay, come back down. Thought I had it. Oh, I do have it. Alright. Gummy, gummy. And you have to pull the shackle out because it is so gummed up, but anyway, there it is, guys. And I'm gonna go ahead. You can't lock it up unless you put the shackle back in. So I'm gonna try to clean it up with something. If you guys know what I can use, please let me know, and I'll send it out to somebody else if I can get it working right. Thank you for joining me. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.